Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Outdoors with Morgan makes on YouTube. So if you wanna know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM. CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video was watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. Now let's look at their channel analytics. It has total of 226,000 subscribers and 1152 videos and 108 million views, total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. Now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly, annually from YouTube? This channel gets over 4000 subscribers monthly and over 2.8 million views per month. So according to that, if we multiply the views to the average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $11,300, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they make $35,000 annually. So you get to know how much does Morgan makes on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know earning of other YouTuber, comment down their channel name and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.